Hello guys, welcome to this video by Gakhar and Company where I'll explain you about how to do your registration on Darpan portal. As we all know that with effect from 5th March 2025, Government of India has changed Darpan portal's interface and a lot of new information is required for us to generate our Darpan ID. So a lot of NPOs and NGOs must be facing quite some difficulty in registration. So we come here to simplify how you can register and have all your documents ready beforehand so that you don't get confused. So let's get started. First of all, I'll simplify for you the documents you will need in order to register on the Darpan portal. You have to have your registration certificate ready. That's the first and foremost most important document in which you will find every required information which will be necessary for us to fill in the further steps. Your organization's PAN card is as important. Then you will need your chief functionary's PAN card, your MOU or your trust deed, and every member's PAN and Aadhaar card. One thing that you have to mind here is that you need each and every member's PAN and Aadhaar card in order for us to fill the required information. One more thing that I want to add here is that every information we will fill on the portal will be a mandate information and you will not be able to go on the second page or go ahead in the registration process without filling any information or leaving any information. You need to fill every information in the required boxes. I hope that's clear. For more simplification, we are dividing the Darpan portal registration process in two parts, Part A and Part B. In Part A, we will talk about creation of account, like you need to create an account for yourself before registration starts. So firstly, we go on the Darpan website, which is on your screen, and then we will go on the registration tab there for creating of your own account. For creation of your own account, we will need name of organization, your president's or your secretary's PAN number, mobile number and email ID for OTP validation. And registration number of your NPO or NGO is needed as well. Then we create a password and MPIN and yay, registration is done. As you can see on your screen, once your registration will be done, you will be getting an MPIN and a new password which you will use to log in further. I hope you are clear with this much. So we move to part 2, which is part B, registration process. After creation of your account, we need to complete the whole registration in order to generate Darpan ID. Now we come to the dashboard and start with the registration, which you can see on your left side of the screen. We will start from scratch, so we need information in three broad categories here. First, we need NGO details. Your NPO details, your organization details, you can call it as anything. Secondly, you need member details, and then lastly, you will need working area details. We will talk about all of this in the next few minutes. Then we will have our last step as final submission, which I'll also explain to you in just a while. NPO details will be auto-populated in the given boxes. Along with it, some other required information like NPO's contact, email and website needs to be filled. As we come to the members detailed parts, as I've already explained, we need each and every member's PAN number, Aadhaar number, date of birth, address, mobile number, email and father's name. And you cannot skip this part. You can also put in other information like projects and activity details. This is not mandatory as such. Then we check and proceed and come on to our final page, which is called final submission. The Darpan portal's interface is very user friendly now. So as you can see on your left side that every information that you have filled and has been approved is highlighted in green color and every information that is still required is still in red orange. Now as we come on to the final submission tab, we just need to put in one more information, which is witness details. So you can put in any witness. After you have put in witness details, then we come on to the last step where the Darpan portal gives us an affidavit and it also gives us an option to download this affidavit as a draft. It is the final step Once you have clicked submit button, then your registration will be completed, and at the same time Darpan ID will be generated. So it's a very vast process, but it's not difficult. You can do it easily with some of your time. Just make sure that you have every detail and every requirement document available with you beforehand. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned with us for such further videos. Thank you so much from Gakkar and Company.